USB. Mommy talk. Be talking, mommy. Mommy be talking.
What should I say then?
Don't talk again. Mommy, say mommy.
Leave me alone. This voice, leave me alone.
My mom is very tired, but she have mouth to talk. My brother is like, this big one can look for trouble. He can slap somebody. Pour water on someone. This small brother,
This one is
this one that can look for trouble. He do like he's like Superman. I